Lee Cronin's The Mummy, which has nothing to do with the franchise, opens with the parents' worst nightmare. While living in Cairo, Charlie and Larissa, Jack Reynor and Laia Costa's 8-year-old daughter, Katie, Natalie Grace, is abducted from their backyard. Devastated, they eventually return to Albuquerque and try to rebuild their lives with their two remaining children. 8 years later, the U.S. Embassy calls. Katie has been found alive. Their joy evaporates when they learn she was discovered inside a sarcophagus, recovered after a plane crash. She's severely malnourished, traumatized, and covered in strange inscriptions carved into her skin. A doctor insists she just needs love, patience, and time. Advice that feels wildly optimistic given the hints of supernatural possession. From here, the movie becomes The Exorcist meets The Omen, with a dash of Chucky, Megan, and The Shining thrown in. The film briefly dips into ancient Egyptian lore, revealing that the markings relate to Nazmoranian, a demon said to destroy families unless contained through ritual mummification. Once those inscriptions begin to fade, Nazmoranian grows stronger and the body count rises. This is the film's big inflection point, unleashing a wave of oversized insects, gruesome transformations, and blood and guts oozing from every orifice. Predictably, the movie leans on gooey, over-the-top gore and the family being terrorized in their creaky old house. Charlie, desperate for answers, teams up with former Ricky detective Dalia Zaki, May Kalamawi, whose involvement provides the story's only real thread of continuity. As Katie's presence intensifies, the family begins to unravel, and breaking the magician's spell becomes the only way out, though not without consequences. The performances are mostly as bland as watching newbies on CSI, with two exceptions: Veronica Falcon as Katie's grandmother, and young Billy Roy as Maud, Katie's youngest sister, who gives a surprisingly fierce Linda Blair adjacent turn. Horror and fantasy fans may enjoy the jump scares, the campy chaos, and the moments that make you laugh right after you flinch. For KSQD's Film Gang, this is Susan Lovegren.